Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rap Diablo, yeah, yeah. It's the Rap Diablo, macho when I drop flows. The bar gets raised up, it's me and Petey Pablo. Colder than gazpacho, colder than the mono. Rapping head honcho, rocking shows like I was Bono. I go.
What's up, guys? This is Outdoor Tech, Season 2, Episode 15, and for today, it is around the afternoon. It is overcast conditions completely all throughout the day. And for today, I will be going to Ranger Lake. Now, specifically, I will be fishing for bass. The last fishing video you saw, was I was fishing for carp there. I saw them nailing the mulberries, so fast forward 2 weeks, here we are. A week ago, I was at Hawaii, so if you didn't see the latest video, check that one out. It didn't really get a lot of the views that I was actually hoping for. It was actually one of the videos that took by far the longest to edit. I mean, easily 6 hours to edit. So many just little different cuts that I had to make, so that's that. Anyway, so for today, I mean, I got my 3 rods here. I might just, I don't even know what I'm gonna throw yet, so I'll let you guys know while I'm on the boat when I'm tying something on, what the game plan's going to be. And I mean, hopefully this is just a day where I catch a couple bass. I mean, nothing too special. It's like the dog days of summer. I don't know if I told you guys this, but it's like July 13th. July 13th. So I don't know why I can't talk today. It is July 13th. I'm about to be going in my car. We got the boat hitched up, and I mean, I'm doing a solo boating trip. All my friends, they're not available. Sad, but that's just the way the world is. I mean, hopefully they could join me later in the afternoon if one of them wants to slide through, but that's the game plan, and let's just get on it. Hooked. All right, that's bass number 1. Decent one. Nothing too special, but hey, we're on the board. All on the Cicada. There she goes. Oh my God, came out of nowhere. Oh my God, came out of nowhere. I mean, my Lord, Jesus. Ah, it came off. Another bass, little one, but they're in here. Stay down. A decent one. No! Get in there. There we go. All right. Again, guys, all on the freaking Cicada, dude. This is the Q Savage Gear Cicada. All right. Bass number 2. Here we go. There we go. bass missed it. Just keep on reeling. Come on. Maybe pause it. Keep going. Yes, sir. Might be a dink though, but at least we're on the board. Up, it's gonna jump. Don't. A decent guy. We're just gonna boat flip him on up. No, I would say the trout are biting. First crack of dawn now and probably dusk. Did it take it? Hooked?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It just took it right on the water while I was fixing my foot.
Yeah, Riley hooked up. Look at it, it's like in the stomach. No, it's, oh, there's something else in the stomach. No. What am I seeing? Jeez, I'm gonna have to go with the square bill. This dude. Ooh. Yeah, you would miss because you're. Oh, going on. Alright guys, that wraps up the video. I put the boat away, got all my gear and stuff put together. So, I mean, like I said earlier in the video, I kind of knew coming in that it wouldn't have been anything special. I mean, I caught a couple bass, hooked into like 3 or 4, a couple blow-ups here and there. In the beginning, that was actually pretty cool seeing the bait fish. There were thousands of them, and yeah, you actually, if you guys didn't notice, you could actually see a bass like striking the bait fish in that video. So, if you guys didn't notice, flashback to the first seconds of the video. Anyways, I mean, it's the dog days of summer, so I gotta just grind, just get content up on the board. I mean, when it comes to YouTube, it's all about that algorithm, so you gotta upload daily. That's what I'm trying to do. Maybe just go once a week, 2 videos a week if I'm lucky, you know. Right now, the rivers are so, like, muddy, so I'm gonna have to wait a couple days before I can get the kayak out, go for them smallies. I want to do that soon. And the big announcement is I am going to the Caribbean in about, I would say 2 weeks around there, end of July. So I will be doing some deep sea fishing. You guys are in for a surprise. So I'm pumped about that. Oh, and I forgot, the Cicada guys, the Savage Gear Cicada, that is what I was crushing them on. I mean, obviously, the Broad X's Cicadas, it was kind of a letdown this year, but it was still kind of cool just to use the Cicada and, I don't know, have this romantic ideal about it, you know? So that's all. Anyways, if you guys haven't already, subscribe, like, just support the page.
Like
and
I
this is
played
only
a
just
trumpet,
beginning,
the
guys.
bottom barrel of society. I tell my if she don't love me, then just lie to me. I'm finer than the winery. Take it from the rich, this is piracy. Finally, I don't even need my eyes to see.